hindi makakagalaw ang chairman ng Appropriations Committee kung hindi siya inutusan ng Speaker of the House of Representatives. So yun yung part nilang dalawa, di ba? Insertion ang tawag nila, no? Mag-insert. Tapos hindi ko na kailangan sabihin nakasali yung Pangulo dyan. Kasi kitang-kita naman natin, kanino bang pirma? Sasabihin na naman niya, hindi niya pirma yung nandoon sa GAA. Hindi. Ako yan. Ang ebidensya ng kanyang participation is yung pirma niya sa GAA. Nakita niya kung ano yung ginawa ng Congress doon. Pero pinirmahan pa rin niya. Accountable siya because he allowed the insertions. So that is a culpable violation of the Constitution.
Some people are saying that this Eric Yap was the mastermind of the past administration. Remember, Yusek Bernardo was appointed as Yusek during the Duterte administration. And the genesis of the whole flood control scam started in the Duterte administration. And at that time, at least Congressman Eric Yap was, if I'm not mistaken, the appropriation said similarly to the Saldico of today. Siya pala yung Saldico nung panahon ni Duterte.
At ang kabuang halaga po nito ay?
Sa aking pagkakalam ko po, no, ang total from 2016 to 2025 ay mahigit 100 bilyong piso po sa between SunWest Corporation and Hightone Corporation.
Yung mga flood control projects, kailan kayo nag-engage ng flood control projects sa DPWH?
Siguro mga 2016 onwards.
Please make sure of your answer.
Yes po, 2016 onwards po.
2016 onwards.
Yes po.
And I believe, personally, I believe that there are really ghost projects, not even before 2022.
What do you mean, sir? Can you repeat that? Not even. You believe there are ghost projects even before 2022?
I believe so.
Okay. So if that is so, ang DPWH Secretary noon, before tumakbo po siya, ay yung kasama niyo po sa Senado, si Senator Mark Villar. Hindi ho ba?
Yes, yes, I know.
Yeah. In fact, it's good you point that out, sir. Kasi right now, ang nakikita pa lang natin 2022 to 2025. Pagka pumunta kayo doon sa earlier years, doon po papasok yung time during the Duterte administration under your colleague, Senator Mark Villar.
Ang DPWH, ang pinaka-racket dyan is yung ghost project. So walang delivery ghost project. Marami yan. Karamihan yan, it's the regional director. Ipapalabas nila na may project ito, but wala.